stop this shit from sinking down. Think we need some mediation. I get it all for you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So without talking too much, let's get started. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe below and thanks so much for watching. Thank you guys. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So today to fill my brow, I'm gonna be using my Nikki K eye pencil. I start in the shade black brown. So I'm just gonna follow the exact shape of my eyebrow and I start filling in. To clean up my brow, I'm using an elegant concealer in the shade Fawn. To prime the upper side of my brow, I'm gonna be using a foundation. I'm gonna be taking my buffing brush and just buffing out the excess concealer. For my shadow base, I'm gonna be using my elegant concealer in the shade Fawn. It's the one I use on my eyebrow, and I'm just pressing up on my eyelid using my buffing brush. And I'm gonna go in with this my Tenia palette. And my first shade, I'm using this dark brown. I'm just gonna go on this Morphe palette and I'll be taking this dark red and just place down to my transition. I'm just blending that out. So I'm gonna take by my brush and just bring out that black curl so my cut crease should look good. And so for my cut crease, I'm using this my nice concealer, it's white color. So I'm just cutting my crease. So I'm just gonna take these two shades and I'll place that on top of my crease. So I'm just blending out that outer part. So I'm blending out the edge and I'm tapping a little bit of black on that. Then I'll add a little bit of light pink before going into this yellow shade. And I'm gonna add a little bit of gold on the inner edge. So for my liner, I'm going in with this Mel's eyeliner. My lashes, I'm using these false mink eyelashes. I'm just pressing that. My primer, I'm using primer from Colourpop. I'm just gonna massage that on my face. For foundation, I'm using the FL Mask from Coco. My foundation, my ultimate foundation, is so cool because it always matches well with my skin. It goes well with my skin tone. So to highlight, I'm using my elegant purple concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm gonna be highlighting the areas under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and the bridge in my mouth. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and just blend that in. Guys, always make sure to blend your face very well. Contour, I'm going to be using my elegant finishing products in Cocoa, and I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm also gonna contour my forehead, cheeks also. Always make sure to contour your face, guys. Always make sure to contour your face. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend that in. To set where I highlighted, use my concealer. I'm gonna be using Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm just gonna set on the areas where I highlighted using my concealer. just gonna use my blending brush. I'm just gonna blend that well. Always make sure you take your time when blending, guys. So I'm gonna use a little bit of finishing product cocoa and just add a little contour on my cheeks. So I'm just gonna contour it to my cheeks. So I'm going back on this Atenia palette. I'm taking this light brown. I'm setting that under my eyes. So I'm gonna place this brown under my eyes. So now I'm going back with this black liner. I'm just gonna set that under my eye, just smoking that out. I'm just brushing my lashes. So to highlight, I'm using Fenty Beauty in Hala Baby. I'm gonna highlight my nose. I'm also gonna highlight my lips also. So to highlight my cheeks, I'm using this light pink. I'm gonna use it to highlight my cheeks. For my lips, I'm gonna be taking this my brown liner. I'm just gonna follow the exact lines on my lips and lining my lips. So I'm going in with this Terry lipstick. I'm taking first this nude lipstick. I'm going adding this light pink lipstick, and I'm going in with this shade and just tapping that on my lips. And I'm gonna add lips of lip gloss. Okay guys, that's the finished look. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks guys for watching.